How's it going, everyone? We are back with another Monster Bass box unboxing. I'm trying to improve these videos. I'm gonna put prices for how much each of these are, show them on the screen as I go through them, hoping to evolve these videos so they're more useful for you. Please comment down below if you like a certain thing in these unboxing videos or don't like something, or maybe something I'm not doing you want me to try out. But today, this is the May 2021 Monster Bass box we're gonna be opening up, so let's go ahead and jump right on in. So first things first, we're gonna cut the box open. Just for clarity, this is the multi-species box. Opening it up, we've got the Monster Bass brochure that they normally include with everything in here. Matty Yabby ultra durable creature baits. I can totally see bass getting after these guys in the water. Nice. Oh, I've used these before, or maybe not the specific brand. Bama baits. Yup, these are your plastic worms. Love these things. They work really well for tossing in the weed lines. We've got the Little Nipper, the Green Pumpkin Thunder Cricket from Strike King. This is a 1/2 ounce. Green pumpkin color. Looks like we got a golden ticket here. It says winners announced. This must be a drawing thing that they do. The Detour sunglasses, a $10 cash card. Lunker Hunt sticker. We've got Baker Lures JLD series jerkbait. 1/2 ounce, bass, pike, walleye, and salmon. We'll get you a close up here so you can see the color. Really nice coloring on it. Then we've got the Red-Eyed Mini King Strike King. This is a spinner bait. Big Bite Baits Pro Series. Fishing lures. Big Bite Insider Jig unpainted. So these are little jig heads with a hook in them, unpainted. They look like they're lead. They're 1/48 ounce. I don't know. It's probably because I love pan fishing, but these are gonna be just awesome. Throw a waxy on it, maybe a little plastic. These should work out absolutely awesome this year for that crappie bluegill bite. And then we got a Monster Bass sticker, kind of cool. Daiichi World's Sharpest Hooks, bleeding bait hooks. It's a 4-pack of them. Can never have too many hooks. And then these are big bite baits, so these are crappie baits. That's everything in the box here. My guess is these two things will go together. Take the hook, slide one of these crappie tubes on there, and you'll be off and running. Pretty awesome. Anyways, I'll put the price of what I paid for this box on the screen so you can kind of see in comparison to what the value of each of these things are. The whole goal of these videos is hopefully get you excited and maybe introduce you to some new styles of baits that maybe you didn't know were out there and you might want to pick up. And then also, if you're interested in the Monster Bass boxes, what do you get in these types of boxes? Again, this is the multi-box, so you can kind of see what's here. I'll go ahead and link down below if you want to get this box. I'm not sponsored by the company. I really appreciate each and every one of you for watching the video. Thank you so much, and until next time, take it easy.